Hey guys, I know I'm being a pest with showing this, but I'm so excited it's done. My December book is finally done, journal. So let's start with the spine. I know I've showed pieces, parts of it, but I'm going to show the whole thing today. I got these little dangles. They're just little rubber at, I think it was Temu back in the day. And then I added some ribbons. And it's a ring bound. Then I added this zigzag here, and last night I added the ruffle, and then I thought this went really well with it on the edge. So I won't spend a lot of time on the beginning because, like I said, I've shown that a lot. So there's this. There's Miss Emma goes, "Who is that?" I go, "That's you, you ding dong." She's so funny. And I already showed this, and this is the pull out with more pictures, and then on another picture, and then documenting what happened there, what we were doing. And I added Snowflake. This is from Hobby Lobby, I think. I've had it for a while. And I've shown this sweet card from my friend Pam. Margaret's card, and then pictures inside there. You can go to my other videos to see this part. I'm going to try to go quick through this part. And then there's this, and this was a Dollar Tree card, so I did use that. Aren't they cute? I'm sorry, but yeah. And I just loved using these little flip tag things. They were perfect, little books. And I used this to document, and we all got together at my house. So happy together. We had so much fun. That was a great evening. And I made that tag. There's Tori doing my hair. She's fascinated because I have short hair. I don't know. She thinks it's funny. And there I am. I took the girls out. Isn't Vienna just she's such a character. She's got a good sense of humor, that one. I don't know where she gets that from. And there's Miss Tori. Look at those ringlets. Oh my gosh. My girls have curly hair, those two do. I had a really hard time getting her to pose. What a character. And I just loved using the postage from one of the, if you see there, on the belly band. Okay. And I love, this is probably my favorite section because of this gazebo. Little town gazebo. Isn't that gorgeous? And we went in there. I did a tag. Documented out of a library, and then put it in a library pocket that I decorated. They got these sweet little outfits. So cute. Oh my gosh. Lots of digitals and then cards. I tried to include as many as I could. There they are. We had Sundays and watched movies. The Polar Express. I haven't documented or anything in this one, but you know, I love me my Nomies, so I got this from Kathy. Nothing, yes there is. So I just think this is so cute. My daughter-in-law, Riley, does Christmas Eve day morning. She did hot cocoa and Christmas tree waffles. She just does such nice stuff. Did a frame from Hobby Lobby of my little Missy. It's time for Santa. No peeking. And then I just documented about that they were baking cookies. And Joyce from Peddler's Pack. Hi, Joyce. She made me this beautiful card. Oh, she's so talented. Look at all the glitter on there. It's gorgeous. So inside that one, I put the picture of me with my Boss sweatshirt. And then I documented that she had, because you can't go around, you know how you can get Grandma, Nana, Mimi, no ball. Anyway, and I had done this from Cottage Cuts, so I did the wreath on top of a book page that I did with Distress Oxides, and then this cute little snowman that I made, and then I can flip it up. I like to try to keep it so I can remember who gave me that sweet card. Here's their Christmas tree with all the presents underneath. Isn't that gorgeous? And then I did the die Christmas Magic. These little dots didn't come out, so I just added stickles. Look at me remembering the name Stickles. I can never remember that. Oh, I had so much fun, but now I got to put all my stuff away. I'm like, okay. Lots of pages here. Okay, I think I'm so proud of myself. So the girls forgot their cards. Emma was like, they didn't take their cards. I go, no, but now it's preserved. So she did one to Vienna with the Grinch. And I used it, hang on, to document things about with pictures of Vienna. So she writes in there, thank you, Vienna, for being so silly. Your smile brightens my days. I love your silly outfits. This means sincerely, Emma, with a heart. I mean, that's a keeper. So I had these cards from Temu. So I did that, and then I added some bling, of course. Got to do that. And had some of this ribbon. And then I did Vienna pictures. Look at her. They got bathrobes, and oh my gosh, so cute. So I tucked that in, and there's what is that? Zigzag, whatever. Okay. Why can't I remember the name of that? I don't know. Then I put Merry Christmas. This is from a pack from Michael's that I had in my stash, and this ribbon. And then more pictures of Miss Vienna and these cards. So look at her. This was something, a can or something she thought she'd wear on top of her head. And she loves herself some Peppa Pig. So she got Peppa Pig. And I made a pocket. Rick Rack. Rick Rack. That's what it is. Pink Rick Rack. Good Lord of Moses. There's more of the... And then Emma did a card to Tori. So I put some of this pretty ribbon. Tori loves globes. Snow globes. So she got a couple this year. Excuse me. Thank you, Tori, for being so nice. I love playing sisters with you, and I love your positive attitude. Sincerely, Emma. Isn't that just... So I did. And I gave Tori some markers, like Tombow type markers, and this book to color in. And then I documented Jingle All the Way, and I documented on one of Anna White's papers, little note papers. And I got this beautiful card. Isn't that gorgeous? So I used some of my papers, dug out my papers. Oops. Oh, this goes on here. Okay. So what I do a lot of times is just adhere the card to another cardstock. So there's Tori with one of her grandma and grandpa gave her that, and they got this is at the Mimi and Grandpa's house on Christmas Day evening. And then I use a lot of this, here's Rick Rack again, this vellum, and then I can flip that up and see who gave it to me, the card. So Jane gave me that card. And there's this
picture. There's the girls.
You're so sweet. This is actually an inside I haven't shown. I got from Anna Griffin, an embossing cut apart. And this was inside circle. Jeez. Snowflake. And then that Brad. And another one of these to document. And I put a little sticko heart there. So yeah, I'm really proud of this. I had so much fun. And then I just did a belly band because this book is already gatoring. It's wide open. Here I thought those rings would be too big. No. Anyway, so we took family photos. Miriam Bright. And here is my son, Riley, Tori, and Vienna. Here's the whole gang. So this is Larry and me, Kim. She has two Kim they have two Kim grandmas. And this is at their house. Here's me and my son and my two granddaughters. We tried to get these pictures. Here we are having, oh, and here we always get a picture of the two grandmas with the girls. You can see Vienna right up to that point was crying, and we finally got her in a good mood. It was like, we got to do this. Next time we decided we're going to do pictures first because they were just overwhelmed. Beautiful, beautiful dinner, prime rib. Larry is an awesome cook. I'm so blessed to have them include me in all of this. Let's see, where does that go? So this is some authentique paper, and this was actually on the cover, and I just cut it apart and made it into a belly band. And then glued another, see how big this has gotten? I've got to reinforce, see this has come out. Another card. And I decided to put that there. And it's no dot. And then I can lift this up and see who gave it to me, which is Linda. And so just beautiful. And then I did a pocket on the back to put in more cards that I had also received. So yeah, I'm excited to figure out a way. I like the way I used, I'll do that next year, the cards, incorporated them. So thank you for helping me decorate my book. But oh my gosh, I had so much fun. And then the back, I just did the material that I had. Yeah, I think it turned out really cute. And I added some ruffle here. And like I said, it is a big one. It's a lot in there, and I had a wonderful December, wonderful Christmas. I am so blessed, and I wanted to share this with you guys. The finished product. Yay! Now I got to put all my Christmas craft stuff away. Oh, wish me luck. All right, you guys, thanks for joining me. Let me know what you think if you do these, or if you got any ideas from me. Leave a comment below. I always read my comments. I love them. You guys are so sweet. And comment and leave me a thumbs up if you would. All right, guys, take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.